The camera.
Finisce, sì,
Ok.
me la dai.
No worry.
Non ce n'è vero.
Numero 1.
Male. Good morning. So hello and welcome to the Sicilian market. We're going around, we see what they sell and what they think about all this corona situation. Here look pretty cool, nobody's worried. Man, this guy is doing coffee. Good morning.
Ciao,
Good morning.
come stai?
I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy, here, Victoria.
Come?
Come. And this is a virus problem? You have a virus problem here?
Sì, così diciamo, sì.
Some virus problem. And,
Diciamo un po' di sì. Siamo un po' più liberi ora, però la situazione è stata un po' critica.
bad, you get male. But now you got vaccino and everything is good.
Vaccini, ora speriamo bene che si risolva il problema in modo che possano diminuire i contagi ed essere più liberi tutti.
Nice. What do you sell here? This is clothes, vestiti. Nice. What's your name?
My name is Emanuele.
Emanuele, nice to meet you, Emanuele. My name is Saro. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Non era vero.
Cosa, signor?
Quello qui non era vero, che è cretino il governo.
Government, yes. Very stupid, government.
Stupido.
Government.
Sono stupidi.
Yes. But this is coronavirus.
Ma non è vero. Non ce n'è vero.
There isn't virus, no.
Cioè, non ce n'è vero.
No virus. You
Da
don't.
nessuna parte ce n'è vero.
Vaccine, you vaccine.
Stanno babbiando a tutto, però non hanno dire che siamo cretini.
So it's a scam, it's a
Siamo
scam.
giudiziosi sempre, ci abbiamo un giudizio. Era vero?
And the vaccine, you don't do vaccine. Vaccino? You?
Vaccino no!
No vaccino.
Mai me ne è fatto vaccino.
Never.
E mai me ne faccio, ma meritavo 91 anni, vaccino niente.
And it's good.
No, mai. Mai se ne è fatto e mai se ne è fatto. Bravo.
Nice.
Bravo. Numero 1.
Number one.
Ciao.
So this market got this amazing view here. Look at the market right there. Yeah, there is a cart. Look at this. A cart truck. Fair and a cart truck. Look at this. And an amazing view. And a lot of trash too. But look what we got here, my friend. All this Sicily speciality. This is fish with salt, eggs from countryside. This come from Africa. All the dry fruits. Pistachio. And all the olives. Look how much olives there are. Black sauce. This is dry tomatoes. Look how much there is. All dry tomatoes. It's great. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. Good morning.
Prego.
Oh, this is from Sicily?
Sì.
All this is Sicily
Sicily,
paste.
original Sicily.
And how they are made? This what is this?
Io non parlo inglese.
This is pistachio.
Pistacchio,
Yeah.
limone, arancia, amarena, tutta mandorla.
Mandorla. Nice. This is
C'è un po' di
mandorla.
mandorla, sì. Mandorla al caffè, mandorla nocciola,
This is
mandorla naturale,
great. Look at
mandorla al
this.
cioccolato, mandorla
Cioc-
citron, limone, fragola,
Wow. Strawberry.
limone,
Hazelnut. Lemon.
naturale,
Natural. Only almond. Only mandorla.
sono mandorle.
Mandorla.
Mandorla al cioccolato di Modica,
Modica chocolate.
mandorla
Wow.
pistacchio,
Pistachio. Yeah.
yeah. Mathieu?
This is amazing. You live here, Victoria.
Yeah.
Victoria City.
No, Modica,
This-
Modica.
Ah, you are from Modica.
From Modica.
And come in Victoria to do this. Nice. And how much is this? I want to buy some. How much the price? Ah, there. 3 pieces, 5 euro.
Qua è 1 chilo,
1 kilo.
chilo 9 euro.
1 kilo. You have to buy 1 kilo. Wow. Can I buy half kilo or less?
Penso chilo?
Yeah, even less.
No, io.
I'm alone.
Sacchetto, prendi quello che vuoi.
Ah, I can choose.
No limite.
Nice, nice, really nice. Thank you. What's your name?
Concetto.
Concetto. Concetto.
Puma.
Puma?
Puma.
Ah, Puma. Puma is the surname, second name.
Name. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Concetto. My name is Saro. I'm doing.
Sta facendo video?
Yeah, but
Vedi,
yeah.
ciao.
Really nice. So I'm gonna choose this. It can help it.
Yeah,
Can,
yeah.
can.
Quanto
So
fai?
I like
Al
chocolate.
chilo.
I like chocolate. A lot.
Cioccolato Modica.
This is
Pistazie.
from Modica chocolate. It's very peculiar. It's not normal chocolate from Modica. You know this.
Is the number 1.
Yes, it's different. It's made with sugar. It's crumbling. It's really nice. It's different chocolate. Now we're gonna buy and then we're gonna show you the. You got a piece of chocolate.
Modica.
Yeah, look at that. Look how
Al
much.
cioccolato Modica.
All the taste. Can you put this close so I can see? All the taste. All the it's the orange. Pistachio.
Orange, pistazie, vanille, caruba, peperoncino, nature, agrumi, vaniglia, pistazie,
Vanilla.
vaniglia, yeah.
I want that.
Vaniglia qua.
Vanilla, yes.
Cannella,
Cinnamon.
nocciola, caruba, caruba, whisky, oui, pistazie, sale,
Salt.
sale, yeah. Fighi d'India, yeah. E vaniglia, che se vaniglia,
Yeah, vanilla.
yeah. Poi c'è zenzero, e mandorla e cioccolato nature.
Give me one vanilla. I want vanilla.
Uno vaniglia? One.
And some other this. Thank you very much.
Please.
Some chocolate. This is chocolate. More chocolate.
Oui.
So then strawberries. This is strawberry almond.
Prese.
This is lemon. What is this?
Marmellata di mela. Mela.
Marmalade.
Marmellata.
Marmalade. Apple marmalade.
Pistazie con crema pistazio.
Cream, pistachio cream.
Mandorle limoncello.
Limoncello. This
Yeah.
is liquor. This is alcoholic.
Yeah, limoncello.
Alcoholic. You get drunk. This is another chocolate.
Cioccolato e pistazio.
What is that? Look at this. What is this thing?
Quello con fichi.
With fig, but what is different? Hey. Look at it, I want this. Here, I love that. Look at this. What is this? The
Millions.
this is almond too.
Kinder for bambini.
Mandorla to almond.
Queste natura, il burro.
Butter.
Butter, yeah.
Let's try this. So this is more almond. Look at this. This is
Mandola.
only almond.
Poi c'è mandola caruba.
This is just almond with sugar, I think.
Miele.
Honey.
Via.
This is amazing. I take this one. Look this pistachio.
Pistazie, yeah.
But now we're gonna try one. I can't stay without try one. Why not chocolate one? Which
Poi c'è
one? This one.
specialità, Modica, specialità di Modica.
This
Mandorla,
is Modica
miele,
speciality.
Mandorla e miele.
Honey and almond.
Yeah.
Honey and almond. This is S shape. biscuit. I'm gonna try this one, but I want to try one right now. Can you hold it for me? I want to try this.
Yeah.
You can see the almond inside. There is one full almond inside. This is very special thing.
Numero uno.
It's creamy. It's crunchy
Io che
because of
sembra
the
della
sugar.
camera che sta caricando.
Thank you. Because of the sugar, it's creamy, crunchy, and tastes like almond milk.
Quando tu finisci,
It's like almond milk.
quando tu finisci mi lasci questa telecamera.
Okay, you want the camera?
Finisci, sì,
Okay.
me la dai.
No worry. And you will document all your life. You will document your life around the Sicily.
Ah, tutto il mondo, bravo.
These guys are really friendly. I like this chocolate thing.
France 24. NBC.
You have to come to Sicily and try these things from with Tony and almond and wow. €5?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Very good.
It was nice to meet you. Have a good job and good life and everything. Look at this amazing cheese. Come on. Look at this.
Questo qua 2 euro. 2 euro, vedi, Maurizio, 10 euro. 2 euro. Dana? Ora ce la faccio.
Orange.
Dai 50 che l'arance.
Non posso neanche. Sta facendo. Non posso neanche. No, daviamoci.
Come on.
Andate perché non roba gialla.
Okay. Okay.
Non lo faccio.
Just walking around.